In this video we will show you how to buy cryptocurrencies. But before that, here is some important information. Only invest the amount of money that you don't need. Don't invest any money that you need in daily life. Do a good research on different cryptos before investing. It is important to know what you are investing in. There are many websites that provide all the info you need about the different cryptos. There are many platforms that provide the information you need, for example, CoinDesk, Telegram, and Twitter. Like investing in normal stocks, it is important to get rid of your emotions when you see a big loss or profit at that time. Where to store your cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies can be stored in a digital wallet. There are several types of digital wallets. For example, cloud wallets, exchange sites, software and hardware wallets. Every type of wallet has its own benefits. A cloud wallet is online on a website. This provides easy access, but a low security level. An exchange site provides the possibility to trade your cryptos for other cryptocurrencies. A software wallet is a program which you can install on your computer. A hardware wallet can be plugged in and out of your computer, which means that it has the best security level of all type of wallets. Decide which type of wallet you prefer the most. We do recommend to spread your capital to multiple wallets. All wallets will provide your own public key and private key. In this example, the public key is on the top left, and your private key is on the bottom right of this picture. The public key is almost the same as a bank account number. The private key is something only you know. That makes it more secure than a normal digital wallet or bank account. What is an exchange? As mentioned before, you can trade your cryptocurrencies to other cryptocurrencies on an exchange site. Some coins can only be purchased on an exchange. If you would like to know how this looks like, you can watch our video about Binance. Binance is the #1 exchange in crypto. Click on the link in the description to register for free. All exchange sites offer different trading pairs and coins. Also, every exchange charges a fee when you trade. On this picture you can see a list of exchanges and how high the fees are. Decide which exchange you like the most. In order to buy your first cryptocurrencies, you can go to a broker's site. They will also charge a small fee when you buy cryptocurrencies, but every broker has its own fees. Another important note: every coin has its own transaction costs. For example, a Bitcoin transaction is more expensive than an Ethereum transaction. Beware of the different transaction costs and speed before you buy a coin. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment to help us improve our video quality. Follow us on Twitter for more crypto information.